Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the Suzette stitch. So this is a pretty little stitch with a gentle texture that's just a single row repeat. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in any multiples of even number of stitches plus 1 for your turning chain.
So to start the Suzette stitch we're going to be starting in the second chain from our hook. So in the second chain make a single crochet. And this is our first stitch. I'm going to pop a stitch marker in there. Into the same chain that we just made our single crochet, make a double crochet. Skip the next stitch. In the next chain across, make a single crochet and a double crochet into that same chain. And this is your repeat across the row. Skip the next chain, and in the next one make a single crochet and a double crochet both into that same chain. Okay. Skip the next stitch, make a single crochet and a double crochet in the same chain. Repeat this pattern across your row. Skip a stitch, single and double crochet both in the same stitch. Oops. And then your final chain, make a single crochet. So there is no skip stitch between the last repeats of single and double and the chain one. Single crochet. There's row 1. And now we turn. So row 2, we're going to chain 1 and you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet in the first stitch of the row. So that first single crochet counts as the first stitch of the row. I'll just mark that. Now we're going to skip the next stitch, and this is your double crochet in the row below. So we skip the double and we're only going to be working into the single crochets. So into that single crochet, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch, which is the double, and working into the single, make a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, make a single crochet and a double crochet both into that single crochet in the row below. Skip the next stitch, single and double crochet, and you repeat this pattern across the row. Then when you have 2 stitches left, you skip the next one, which is the double, and work a single crochet only into that last stitch. For the rest of the Suzette stitch, you repeat row 2.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the Suzette stitch. I would love to see what you create with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us in our Facebook group at Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more stitch guides, crochet patterns and crochet hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.